Using the Ti-84 graphing calculator to solve systems of linear equations in two variables graphically. Southwestern College, Professor Maria Olivas. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to solve a system of linear equations in two variables by graphing on the Ti-84 plus CE graphing calculator. First, we are going to begin with our system of equations. The equations we are going to be working with are going to be 6x minus y equals -5 and 4x minus 2y equals 6. Both of these equations are in standard form, so we are going to rewrite them in slope-intercept form. That is, we are going to solve for y. So let's go ahead and solve for y. If we solve for y, our equations end up being y equals 6x plus 5 and y equals 2x minus 3. Before I input these equations into the graphing calculator, I am going to go ahead and take the screen that you see here at the very top of the graphing calculator, and I'm going to move it to the right, and I'm going to make it larger. Now we are ready to input our equations. I'm going to go here to the upper left-hand corner of your graphing calculator where it says y equals, and I'm going to press that y equals button. Where it says y sub 1 equals, we're going to input our first equation. Y equals 6x plus 5. We're going to press the down arrow key so that the flashing cursor is now flashing next to the y sub 2 equals, and we're going to input our second equation, y equals 2x minus 3. Now we're ready to graph. In order to graph, we're going to hit the graph button, which is at the upper right-hand corner of your graphing calculator. Press graph. Here we have a coordinate plane where the tick marks for the x-axis extend from -10 to 10 by a scale of 1, and the tick marks for the y-axis extend from -10 to 10 by a scale of 1. The graph displays two lines that intersect in the third quadrant. The blue line represents our equation y equals 6x plus 5. It has a y-intercept at 0, 5, and it has a slope of 6. The red line represents our equation y equals 2x minus 3. It has a y-intercept at 0, -3 and a slope of 2. In order to find the solution to the system, we need to find the point of intersection. I'm going to hit the second button, which is the blue button on the left-hand side of your graphing calculator, and then I'm going to hit the trace button in order to get that calculate feature. We now arrive at the menu for calculate. And in this menu for calculate, we have several options. We want the number 5 option, which says 5 intersect. In order to get to that option, you can press number 5, or you can press the down arrow key until the cursor lands on top of 5, and then press enter. We see a flashing cursor on our blue line first, and it says first curve. We're just going to go ahead and press enter. Now there's a flashing cursor on our red line, and it says second curve with a question mark. We're going to press enter. And then it says guess. We're going to go ahead and press enter again. And this tells us the solution to our system of linear equations. It says here for intersection x equals -2 and y equals -7. This means that the solution to this system of linear equations is going to be the ordered pair -2, -7.